At Honey Can Do, we are your source for organization, storage, and style. We make product assembly easy so that, well, any honey can do it. To begin, remove product contents and group all like parts. Notice that some of the short shelves have indented poles, and some short shelves have straight poles. Also notice that the 3 through supports have holes that go all the way through. These holes are smaller on one side. The smaller side of the holes receive the indented pole ends of the shelves. Lay out some shelves like this. A through support goes in the center, and 2 shelf supports go on each end with their holes facing inward. Connect the shelves together to form the base. Notice the indented pole ends on the short shelf go into the smaller side holes in the through support. Use body weight, like this, to make sure the shelves are seated securely. Now, push in 2 long uprights on the long shelf end and 4 short uprights in the middle and short shelf end positions like this. Next, connect 2 shelf supports outside of a short shelf that has straight poles and place the assembled shelf on top of 4 short uprights and seat the shelf by pushing it down snug as a bug. Now add 4 more short uprights and assemble a short shelf that has indented poles on one end between a shelf support and through support, like this. A hanging bar and shelf support go here. The hanging bar goes into the lower center holes in the shelf supports. Add 6 more uprights like this and assemble another short shelf with straight pole ends and place it on top. Continue to build by adding 4 more short uprights and then add the last short shelf with the indented pole ends on top, seating it securely. The last shelf goes here. And finally, another hanging bar goes between the lower center holes of the shelf supports, as shown. Voila! Your freestanding closet is ready to whip all your storage needs into shape. At Honey Can Do, we don't believe you have to go broke to have a beautiful, well-organized home. An assembly should be easy to do.